Okay, so I bought this glueless wig. Okay, so it come with this as well. Oh, and I like that they gave you the recommended stuff to use too. Like okay, y'all eat with that. The recommended shampoos, argan oil, hair cream. I don't got none of that, but thanks for recommending it. Okay, let's take the wig out. It comes with the net, of course. Get off of me. Knots aren't super big, but they could be smaller. I can't really, like I always say, I can't judge the hair when I first pull it out because it's always like the factory type. You gotta get washed first. But it always feels super soft when you first get it. And I love the curl of the wig. Wait, they ate that up. The curl of the wig eats. Like y'all see, this is eating. Comes with the band and the wig. Alright y'all, first thing you want to do before y'all bleach the knots is spray back the hair. So get your hairspray, spray the hairline, and like y'all see I sprayed it. You're gonna comb all the hair back. I've been stopped doing like wig reviews and like I'm just trying to show you how I customize my wigs. And this will be a review, and this is a review because this is my first glueless wig. Let's see if it's really glueless. Glueless wig, and this is from Amazon. And I would put the link down below, but I'm not getting paid, so why would I do that? Okay, so we're gonna start off with the powder, and we're gonna start off with the developer, 30 developer. That consistency is too liquid. You want to be thicker like that, even a little bit thicker. I apply it on the lace, then I flip it upside down and then fold, and I just let it stay. Set a timer for 15 minutes, and I check up on it within the 15 minutes. But I come back and it's still not lifted enough. You still see it's black. I put another timer on there for another 15 minutes. So that's 30 minutes, and now most of the knots have lifted. I have to plug up my hot comb, but I don't know where the cord is. I don't know what happened. So instead of the hot comb, this is how you make do with what you have. Okay, you're gonna use my wand curler to flatten down the hair. So this is the 5x5 part. I plucked it a little bit. I think when I put it on, I'm gonna pluck it some more, but I just gave it a rough pluck. It don't gotta be perfect. And take our mousse. We're gonna put it on the hair, and I will define the part for us. Run that through. You can see I'm defining the middle part, and I push the hair back right here with the mousse. So then once it gets hot, I'm gonna take it and flatten it, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the front. Okay, so this is how we're looking. I didn't see, when I put it on my head, I'll try to flatten it down some more, but this is the best we can get right now. I'm using the mousse and the hot comb or the wand curler. The last step, for every time I flatten out the hair, I always go in with like some sort of holding spray, and I spray the top of it and even the front part too. Smooth it down with my finger first. Go back over it with the hot comb. I'll let that just set itself. So after that, this is how it looks. You see how shiny it got and how flatter it got? You just want to let that sit right there. I do want to do wand curls on this hair, so I'm going to do that off camera. So I'm using this for the first time. It's the Silkening Mist by Femme, which is made by Cliff Vermeer. I've been seeing this on TikTok for like a long time, and I bought it when they was having like the Black Friday sale. So he said you want to spray the hair good with it. It smells good. I'm gonna comb it through. It dries fast on it though. I feel like maybe I should spray a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, the quality of this hair, but this is the test. Can it hold a curl? This is not how I want the curl to look though, but okay, so I finished warm curling the hair. I just finished. This is what it looks like. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But I'm gonna spray the hair. Not too much, but because I'm going for a certain look. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Hopefully I could achieve that look, but yeah, not too much. It's supposed to be a glueless wig, so I shouldn't have to like fully do the ball cap method. Damn. Y'all can see this is it on. It's really not bad. This was HD, it would eat, but it's not. But it's not bad. I'm just gonna have to use a big one, and I'm gonna zoom in. So the lace is definitely visible. I feel like I should cut off some more over here. The Ruby Kisses cream foundation in 15. I need to get a new one, but I'm gonna just take this small brush because I only got like enough for the corners this side. Yes, I'm gonna be using the Kiss Colors Lace Bond, and how I'm gonna spray it is I'm gonna just spray my finger and tap the lace. Just get some on my finger and tap the lace. Hey, Hedy hair, like y'all are eating. So the thing is, you don't want to put on too much on your finger. You just want to start with a little bit. You always add more. Yeah, you see how it's disappearing a little bit? Okay guys, so I put a little wig band on only because I wanted to make sure it looked flat, like I was trying to lay the shit. So and it still looks the same, but it's okay. I'm at the point where I'm like, whatever. I really want my curls to look like the curls that people have on like Pinterest. I don't know if they comb it out. Yeah, they don't comb it. They wide tooth comb it. Where's my wide tooth comb? I'm gonna use serum though. We're gonna use this Garnier Fructis serum. Just, we don't need, I'm not using a lot. And I'm gonna just coat the hair with it. And then I'm gonna just start running my fingers through. Because the comb method is not the right way, I see. It's not my favorite wig. I feel like the top is hella shiny, so we're gonna comb that. So like if you feel like it's hella shiny, just comb it. Cause that's from the hairspray. Damn, look. I gotta take a thumbnail, like. You definitely can see it though. Maybe I should put on a little bit more makeup. Ooh! Let's hope that wind don't blow. Do I have to bobby pin anything? Okay guys, my final thoughts about this wig from Hedy Hair. Honestly, they ate for the price too. Like, I don't even remember how much I paid for it, but it was not a lot of money, and they really ate. Like, the quality of the hair, as y'all can see, it can hold a curl. It can hold multiple curls. There's no spot in this wig that cannot hold a curl. It can take heat well. The only thing is the lace. I wish it was HD, but other than that, it eats. Like, it come with the band inside of it. It took the knots bleaching well. I just had to wait like 30 minutes. I could have waited a little bit longer, but 30 minutes, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below. I mean, I'm not getting paid to do it, but still, if y'all want the wig, this is a good wig. It's a good 5x5 closure wig. Like I'm saying, the hair is better than the hair I got from my vendor, and I'm mad about that because I paid like almost $200 for the wig from my vendor, and this one I think I paid what, like $116 probably. I love how it looks with the wand curl. This isn't like the curl I wanted. Like, I wanted my curl to look like the Pinterest curls, but it's still cute. It looks. I showed y'all the bleaching the developer, but I also used like, was it the L'Oreal purple shampoo. After that, I went in with the Suave shampoo. It could be any Suave shampoo, but with a Suave shampoo that's clarifying. So I noticed when I was washing the hair, the water wasn't turning brown like every other wig I ever got. It turned brown. The water was like turning black, and I think it was from like the dye of the hair. So it's like the hair wasn't necessarily like dirty where the water was turning brown, but yeah, I used that. And then I went in with the Pantene Moisture, their moisture line, the shampoo and conditioner. And I didn't even have to comb it. It's like comb it with a wide-tooth comb. I was just using my fingers to comb through it. Y'all, that's how you know the hair is good. Like, yeah. My video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. Period.